Welcome. If you're looking to enable file sharing in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, you can now allow all group members to send files with just a few clicks. Let's walk through the process step by step so your group can collaborate and share files with ease. First, open your preferred browser and go to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list and find the group where you're an admin. Click on that group to open the conversation window. At the top of the chat, you'll see the group's name. Click on the name to open the group's profile and settings page. Here, look for the edit icon, usually represented by a small pencil or gear, next to the group's name. Click on it to access the group management options. Now, you'll see several settings tabs. Find and select the permissions section. This is where you control what members can and cannot do within the group. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Send Media. Click on it to expand the available media permissions. Within Send Media, you'll notice a toggle for Send Files. If this option is disabled, simply click to enable it. This change will allow all group members to send files, such as documents, images, videos, and more, directly into the group chat. Once you've enabled Send Files, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your Telegram group is now set up to allow file sharing on Telegram Web. Members can start sending files up to 2 GB each, making collaboration and information sharing smoother than ever. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with your group members so everyone can make the most of Telegram's powerful file sharing features. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.